Hello, welcome to Big Fish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
Hello, Big Fish. In this picture, I see a group of children sitting on a couch and around a table. They are having a video call with their friends on the laptop.
Great! Let's break down your description. What are the children doing?
The children are talking and laughing with their friends on the video call.
Excellent! The verb talking is important here. Now, can you tell me what talking means in a phrasal verb?
Maybe chatting with.
Exactly. Chatting with is a common phrasal verb we use. What other things can we chat with?
We can chat with our friends, family, and colleagues.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the video call. How are the children interacting with each other?
They are smiling, pointing at the screen, and showing excitement.
Good observations. We can use phrasal verbs like logging in, hanging out, and showing up. Can you make sentences using these phrasal verbs?
The children are logging into the video call. They are hanging out with their friends virtually. Their friends are showing up on the screen.
Well done! Now, let's learn some vocabulary related to the items in the picture. Can you name the items in the picture?
There is a laptop, books, a couch, and a lamp.
Correct. Let's talk about the word laptop. What does it mean?
A laptop is a portable computer that you can use on your lap.
Very good. We can also describe the laptop as portable laptop or personal laptop. Now let's use the word in a sentence. Can you try?
I use my laptop to do my homework and video chat with friends.
Excellent. Finally, let's discuss some phrases we use when talking about video calls. For example, logging in, signing on, setting up, catching up, and hanging out. Can you make sentences with these phrases?
We need to log in to the video call. Let's sign on early and set up our cameras. We can catch up with our friends and hang out virtually.
Perfect. And why do you think it's important for the children to have video calls with their friends?
It helps them stay connected and socialize, especially when they can't meet in person.
Good point. It also shows the importance of using technology to maintain relationships and have fun. What other activities can children do together online?
They can play online games, watch movies, or do virtual study sessions.
Excellent examples. Working together on these activities can make them more enjoyable and educational. Can you think of a phrasal verb related to online games?
How about logging on?
Perfect. Logging on means to access a computer system or online service. Can someone use it in a sentence?
We need to log on to the game server to start playing.
Well done! Let's also think about how we can use technology in other aspects of life. Can you give an example?
In school projects, we can use video calls to discuss ideas and collaborate.
Excellent! You have used all the phrasal verbs correctly. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.